No, Timmy.
I'm a man, not do more.
Getting better, the key who could do town, Ketamukeji.
What was I?
You were?
Was I?
Yeah, you were. What happened?
Well, the mother Basugabi way. The mother not Basugabi way.
What happened? Told me exactly what happened.
I'm just coming from a midweek meeting.
Okay, now for our church.
Yes, for our church.
Oh, the Lord is good.
All the time.
So let me wait.
There be agenda. Agendas under discussion.
Okay.
I was raising agendas.
Okay.
And we were discussing.
Okay.
And Brother Erasmus opened his mouth to tell me, hey, tell me abomination, to tell me blasphemy, to tell me unhearable things, to tell me things that the ear will hear. And we just do.
What exactly did he told you? I need to know what you are told.
Hey, though what he said is somehow, a lie. But that thing is true now. It's true. It's true.
I don't understand.
Okay, let me bring it down. How can a man of God, somebody that said is a man of God, be asking husband and wife, when last did your husband touch?
But is anything wrong with such question? If there is any issue that needs to be settled, the name of it should be mentioned. Is there anything wrong? An adult asking a fellow adult. There are marriage counselors. If you are a marriage counselor, you have to mention it the way it is. It's only when there is children then you can also use some languages to avert it. But once it's an adult to an adult, what stops it?
What are you saying?
What am I not saying?
What are you saying? A man of God is not supposed to talk that kind of thing. Yes. These are bedroom things.
Sister.
When last did the husband touch?
It's okay. I know where you are referring. I know whom you are talking to. I know who you are referring to. You see all these things. When you are talking to Evangelist Ebuka Obi, because it's all over the social media. It's all over all the churches, all the pastors, anybody where you see now. Why would he say a thing like that? Why would he use such word? What are we even turning into? What is the problem of people of nowadays? Must we always fight each other because we want to gain our stand? No, I don't get it. Every time if at social media, they protect each other. Have you ever seen a Dibia come out on social media begin to fight fellow Dibia? If not that, unless maybe the Dibia is not a real Dibia. Because the main Dibia, we don't see them on social media. They don't come and fight each other. They remain in there and do the works of their gods. When I look at us that call ourselves children of God, we go around, parading around, instead of us to look for problems that is in our family, how to solve it, how to diabolize it, how to reincarnate our problems. What we are busy is talking about Pastor Joe Kuruka, Pastor Onyenka, and all of us are Igbo people. Let me ask you. Because you were a protector of your own brother. One nigga make the hodger, get Patani, get Shim one nigga, get Patano, get Megan, get Donyoto, or talk was ready. Over one nigga may hodger, Ndimbane, one nigga, good on what book on your gives one nigga.
What about my faith?
My faith in church. Who are you faithing?
My position in church.
Which kind of nonsense position? So many of you prefer position than the main gospel. You want to retain your position in the church. You want to answer Mommy G.O. You want to answer Daddy G.O. You want to answer the prophet, the priest, the father, the bishop, the pastor. You want to answer everything, but you don't care about your real self, your soul, where God himself lives. Because this is where God lives. You know, all these things are in the men at church. We all are pretending. How we should trumpet will sound now. 99 of us are going to hell. Because we all live a pretentious life. We pretend as if all is well while all is not well.
It's only him. See, go to other churches. The way people dress. A woman is supposed to dress the way I'm dressed now. Cover everywhere.
Cover everywhere. But
yes.
What about inside?
Earring itself is not supposed to be in your ear. Because all these things are sin.
Earring are not supposed to be in your ear. All those things are sin.
Yes.
You don't forget the main thing that is a sin. And you're looking at what. So why are you wearing clothes? Why are you on clothes? Why not to get you see money, go buy this, buy gold shoe, buy red bag, buy blue hair turban. You get black, you know how to combine all those colors. Those ones are not sin. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. The earlier we come out from this our old belief, this our naive way of worshiping God, the better for us. Go to abroad. The other time I went to abroad, I see in Dutch with a light church, the way they dress to church, they dress normal. I'm not saying a woman should go to church naked, but you should dress decent, dress well, dress the way you would want to be addressed, and not all the all those things are not really, it doesn't really matter. What matters is in the heart where God himself lives. Some people, they look after covering this. Okay, look at you, cover everything, but look at what you're not seeing in your heart. And you are not seeing all those ones to be a sin.
No, this is exactly what my Bible tells me.
Bible in going upside down. My message to you is, let us stop killing ourselves because of nothing. Go to social media, everybody is busy talking nonsense. Everybody, Mandana Haga Church, Mandana Madi hear what the Spirit of God is talking about. A man on that runs in the flesh cannot sit down and discuss the things of the Spirit. In him more, we hear more. And only those who are in the Spirit will understand the things of the Spirit. Oh yes. Okay, now look at how many richest pastors we have in Nigeria. Go to Yoruba land. We have plenty of them. We have Oyedepo. We have Oyedepo. We have Pastor Chris. We have Adeboye. Oyekoneme. Adi cannot Oyekoneme. Elahia. Onyekilomi. Oh yeah. Name them. Name Pastor Elijah Rufai, Elenke Port Harcourt, Suleiman. All these people, they are rich. Have you ever for one day see a Yoruba man come out with a phone, Tigan, non in a one room apartment, Tiga Yota, Oyekalome, Pastor Chris, this, that, and begin to insult them? No! Also, Sunday wine. On the Bayawan Nkimetre Hagahe Kuyo. We be the mad motor, the no go talk. We be the woman in Shimperi. Close to a house, I will give you a house. I will give you shelter. They won't talk about it. But I'm body keep making one little mistake and I've made her one finger. Hey, they publicize it. Imo Obi boya. Evang.Ebuka boya. Pastor Therefor boya. Richard one week boya. I get for boya no look or men and kobola libo. But we are the ones killing ourselves. Go to families of these people we have. So many of them are not even living with their wives. So many of them are divorcees. So many of them are not even married. They should sit down and talk about their unmarriedness, talk about their family problems, before you cannot discuss another man's. Because he gave us a weapon, so people should wake up and begin to think. Before you walk out.
And the cake and Janandi Banyo, Haneleru,
oh, yeah, Jayaga, he waga has. Yes, from the Lego. I got no friend yet. You are no Diego. No friend you could just. That is it. Let us see an ugly as a Diego. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? So see Diego, but I go to see you. Oh, you know why? As I go on a private university. I will train your children for you. I'm a me. That is attitude of gratitude. Oh, we English. What are you English? I'm not like a question in public. Just hold it. Hold it. To my church, you have to give your life to Christ, because I won't be catching here will give you life to Christ. Your life to Christ is supposed to, you have to live by example. Monitoring ministration. You check people according to the scripture. Check whether they are living according to you that is checking. Are you living according to the scripture? You know yourself. I know myself. You don't know anybody.
I know myself.
Let us wake up and stop deceiving ourselves. The earlier we wake up, the better. And when they're traditionalists, Christians should be Christians. Like, can a Muslim brother come out and then insult him? You dare? Have you ever had it? Have you ever gone to social media again? Hana Pari, their fellow believer. But nobody. Go to the other church, 2 churches in the same street. Can a preach against him? Can a preach against him? Cause what for? Today, Ebuka Obi won Igbo. Pastor Therefor won Igbo. The other Elah here, Pastor Evang.Ebuka won Igbo. And other ministers of God, Igbo people. I know give them haga to her. Okay, the other day I posted a video of a pastor who gave a member a beautiful car for standing by him when he was nobody. They gave him a land to build his church then. They gave him every support. Chineka Gozeli Uba, the man in Woziego Bromad, why maybe 58 years birthday. Okay, Gasimba, this family deserves something special. He bought a brand new car. So, take for what you did for me. I posted the picture on social media. The first comment I got is, that pastor is sleeping with that woman. I opened that picture. Oh, Igbo. Is that supposed to be congratulations? Oh, I tap from this blessing. Oh, how can you expect to get such when you don't support and appreciate others? He said, if you want how you want to be treated, treat others the same way. Sometimes when I see the way our people reason, and these people, they are first to go to church. You sit in the front of the seat of the church, but yet you don't do what you hear.
Church goers.
Fanaticism. Everywhere. Faithless Christians. Just look at it. The other man say, hey, that pastor should be queried. And that woman holds the secret of that man. A lot of things. Pastor this. Why not you go that with the ministry? Or we crowd where members or so. Go and get your own and then begin to do miracle. Because I need to buy the personal. I am so happy and contented the way I'm living my life. Everybody should stand on the truth. I'm not good in saying all these things, but I am angry because you raised the topic. I have to tell you, I've been so pained in my heart. How can Christians be so callous and emptiness? Emptiness Christians.
It's carnality.
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 Let's go your way. Let me move my way. Onye choriza pa yaza pa. Onye choriza kuro yaza kuro. Madaga haza pa zakwa kuro. It's very very bad on many. Ele here my program on English or Ugunwe. I can one nasi so nyos. Go your way and be mindful of what you say about others, because the measure you use for another is the same measure that will be used to you, no matter your department, no matter what your business is all about. Did you get me? Give your life to Christ totally. Allow people to live their life. As long as they are not oppressing people with it, let them be.
Maybe she don't judge so that you will
not be judged. Who are we to judge?
Who are we? Because our righteousness is like a filthy right.
Who made us a judge? Who? My dear, go, let me go to Zion, because those in Zion is better than those in the wilderness.
Who are the ones in the wilderness?
Your lifestyle shows it. Oh yes.
I am in the wilderness.
Oh yes, wilderness of sin at that man.
When rapture will come, you'll be found wanting.
When rapture will come, I'll be found wanting. When earthquake will become, you will be destroyed. Earthquake will go. It is only God no require rapture will be. Faithless Christians. Ebuka Obi is my brother.